I just got done testing this. Figured I'd show off. Now all I have to do, I got it working in Unity, just a quick prototype. So now I just have to port it to Lua and tweak the values. Let me, it's hard to control because this terrain, hold on. So this will, once you do a Korenzikov dash, this mode will kick in. I need to dampen the vertical, but that's kind of the goal, is you go shooting around, just sort of, where'd it go? So if you get too close to the wall, you can see it would just kind of knock you back. It's going to take, I don't know, it's going to take a while to port to Lua. A couple days at least. Then tweak the values and get it all right. Yeah, I need to dampen the vertical. But I'll do all that in Lua after I tweak it. But I don't know. It's kind of just a fun little demo, prototype, whatever you want to call it. Coming soon.